Welcome to B-roll Essentials. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about B-roll and how it can transform your video content. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your skills, you'll learn practical techniques to capture, organize, and use B-roll effectively in your videos. B-roll is supplemental video footage that complements your main content or interview footage. Think of it as the supporting actors in your video story. While your A-roll is the primary content, B-roll fills in the gaps and provides visual context. It helps you avoid showing the same shot repeatedly and keeps your audience engaged with dynamic visuals. B-roll is crucial for several reasons. First, it breaks up monotonous visuals and keeps viewers interested. Second, it provides context and explains concepts without relying on dialogue. Third, it covers transitions and mistakes in your main footage. Finally, professional B-roll significantly increases your video's production value, making it look polished and cinematic. In short, good B-roll separates amateur videos from professional ones. There are several types of B-roll you should know about. Wide shots establish the location and setting. Close-ups show details and create intimacy. Medium shots capture people or objects in context. Transitions connect scenes smoothly. Establishing shots introduce new locations. Cutaways redirect attention and add variety. And reaction shots show how people respond. Understanding these types helps you capture footage with purpose and intention. Effective B-roll starts with planning. Before you shoot, think about what visuals will support your story. Create a shot list based on your script or main content. Consider the pacing and mood you want. Research locations and get necessary permissions. Think about lighting and weather conditions. Plan for variety in angles, distances, and movements. Good planning saves time and ensures you capture everything you need. When capturing B-roll, follow these key techniques. Use stable shots with a tripod or gimbal for smooth, professional-looking footage. Vary your camera angles and distances to create visual interest. Shoot with intention, capturing longer clips rather than short snippets. Include multiple takes of the same shot in different ways. Pay attention to lighting and composition. Move slowly and deliberately to create cinematic motion. Remember, you can always trim footage later, but you cannot create footage that wasn't captured. You don't need expensive equipment to capture great B-roll. A smartphone camera is sufficient to start. Consider adding a tripod for stability. An external microphone helps if you're capturing audio. A gimbal or stabilizer creates smooth movements. For better quality, use a mirrorless or DSLR camera. Neutral density filters help in bright sunlight. External storage ensures you don't lose footage. Start simple and upgrade as you grow more comfortable with the process. Proper organization saves hours in post-production. Create a folder structure on your computer organized by project, date, or location. Label your files clearly and descriptively. Use backups for all your footage. External hard drives or cloud storage prevent data loss. Create a spreadsheet documenting your footage with keywords. Tag your files with metadata. When you need specific B-roll later, you'll find it instantly instead of wasting time searching through hundreds of files. In your editing software, layer B-roll over your A-roll or narration. Place B-roll strategically to illustrate what you're talking about. Cut to B-roll during transitions between main shots. Use B-roll to cover mistakes or awkward pauses in your main footage. Adjust the speed and effects to match your video's style. Add color correction for consistency across all footage. Synchronize B-roll with your music or sound effects for maximum impact. Remember, good B-roll editing is invisible to the viewer, yet essential to the story. Here are 6 key tips for B-roll success. Always shoot more footage than you think you'll need. Plan your pacing carefully to match your narration and audio. Maintain consistent lighting, color, and visual style throughout all your footage. Study how successful creators use B-roll in their videos. Test and iterate, getting feedback to refine your techniques. Finally, invest in quality equipment and choose better locations when possible. These practices elevate your overall production value significantly. Let's recap the essentials. Plan and capture strategic supplemental footage intentionally. Organize and back up your files systematically to avoid losing work. Incorporate B-roll thoughtfully in post-production to enhance your story. Continuously refine your technique and storytelling skills. Strong B-roll transforms your videos from ordinary to extraordinary. By mastering these fundamentals, you'll create videos that engage, inform, and captivate your audience. Thank you for watching B-roll Essentials.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.